Okay, so I have data collected here from 22 students on their weight. And the thing we want to do is to test whether the average weight of a student population differs from 140 pounds. So our test value is 140 pounds. So we would like to do a one sample t-test. So now that I have the data file and I have saved that, I'm going to do analyze descriptive statistics. Okay, so I need to go to the Explore. All right, so once you get that dialog box open, you want to take weight and click to move it into the dependent list. So we want to check for normality, so I need to click on the plots box, and that opens up. So I want to do normality plots with tests. So once I do that, I click continue. So I can choose on my display here both statistics or plots. I would like to have both, and I'm going to click OK. And once I do that, I have my analysis back. All right, so I can see my data here, how it processed. I can see the descriptive statistics. All right, so my mean weight was 166.86. I could see my median weight. I can see my standard deviation was greater than 35 pounds. I have my max, my min, my range. So then I have the two tests of normality. So my KS test, my sigma, is greater than 0.005, which was what I had set. So my data is normal, and for my Shapiro-Wilk, my sigma is 0.692, also greater than 0.005, so my data is normal. And here on my QQ plot, I can see that I have dots about half on both sides of the line. Again, another indication of normalcy. Here's my box plot. Okay. So now I want to go back, and to perform my one sample t-test, I'm going to do analyze, compare means, one sample t-test, and I get a dialog box on the screen. Weight is what I would like to do. Now I need to enter the test value, so I'm going to do 140 because that was the test value identified in my problem. So now it goes back to my output, and so I can look at this data. Now if I want to interpret this data, here are the statistics. I have my numbers, the population of my sample. I have my mean, my standard deviation. And then I can again see specifically on my t-test and my sample effect sizes. So when I look at the weight, all right, I have this t is equal to 0.3582. My sigma, two-tailed sigma, is 0.002. So what I have to ask myself is my p less than 0.05? Yes, it's 0.002. So based on that, I can say that 140 is a representative value. And then I can also see my effect size is here with Cohen's D and the Hedges correction.